Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
मेरा नाम कैलाश चंद सैनी है। हमारे भाई साहब है ताराचंद जी भाटी, बेगम बाजार में रहते हैं। उनको थोड़ा हो गया था, अपने कैंसर का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, तो मैं सचिन सर के पास इधर आए। लेकिन हमारे को स्टार्ट में कोरोना कारण से थोड़ा डर लग रहा था। डॉक्टर साहब ने हमारे को हौसला आजमाइश किया और हमारे को हिम्मत दी। उनके कहने से हम इधर आ गए पूरे, और हम पूरा जो हॉस्पिटल नियम का पालन करते हुए इधर है, तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर हमारे को। यहाँ आने के बाद में हमारा ऑपरेशन भी सक्सेसफुल अच्छा हो गया। 8 घंटे का पूरा ऑपरेशन था सर पूरा, और जो डर था हमारे को वो डर भी दूर हो गया, और अब ऑपरेशन भी सक्सेस हो गया एकदम। हमारे अंदर जो तो मजबूती आ गया, पहले जो डर था ना वो डर खत्म हो गया। कोरोना की वजह से पूरा थोड़ा डर है वो पूरा खत्म हो गया सर। और हम सबको हम ये बोलना चाहते, संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि कोरोना से डरने का जरूरत नहीं है। कितना भी बड़ा बीमारी, हमारे भाई साहब को बहुत ज्यादा था तो भी इनको क्लियर हो गया, सर के आशीर्वाद से अच्छा हो गया सब। और उनको भी हमारे का जो हौसला दिया हमारे को, जो उससे हमारे को काफी मजबूती मिला। सर ने बोला डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन हमारे को सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क, सैनिटाइजर, वो अपने को देख के वो सब काम करना, अपने को सावधान रहना है। और ये तो अब कुछ भी नहीं होता सर इसमें। तो इतनी बड़ी बीमारी ने दो, लेकिन हॉस्पिटल तो फर्स्ट हॉस्पिटल तो आना ही है। टाइम से आ गए तो कोई चीज का प्रॉब्लम नहीं देता सर। टाइम होने के बाद में फिर अपने को प्रॉब्लम आता है। इसलिए सर के बोलने से, हम सचिन सर के बोलने से हम इधर आ गए, हमारा प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गया। और हम जो इधर हॉस्पिटल के जो नियम है, डिस्टेंस, सोशल डिस्टेंस है, सैनिटाइजर, वो सब, वो 1 अटेंडर एक ही रहना, तो साथ वो उसका हम नियम का पालन करें तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ सर। हम एकदम फिट है और अच्छा हो गया हम। थैंक यू सर।
Hello, happy day. Myself, Dr. Sachin, surgical oncologist at Yashoda Hospital, Somajipura. Let me tell you one brave story during this corona pandemic, and also a patient who have been diagnosed with the cancer. So it is like a double whammy. One side he has to fight with cancer, one side he has to, fight against the corona pandemic. So on a certain day, Mr. Tarachand Bhatti, who stays in Begum Bazaar, came to us through one of our old treated patient having ulcer in his mouth, and it was quite long, since 2-3 months, and it was not healing, and the mouth opening became small. He has difficulty in swallowing and speech, and then he approached us. Initially, we did all the tests with the biopsy and other imaging modalities with the scan, PET scan, and profile, which confirmed that it is a cancer. And fortunately, it was only localized cancer and not spread to other organs. So after evaluating everything, we recommended him for the surgery. The surgery is quite long surgery, and we told him about the removal of tumor along with mandible, neck node dissection, and then reconstruction with flap. But he was little hesitating. The reason behind that, he told clearly that, "Doctor, I agree whatever you are recommending about the cancer treatment, but we are worried about the corona patients in the hospital, and our relatives comes, then again there will be some problem. So how can we go about it?" We reassured him about both, that we have the best infrastructure available to fight against cancer, best team of doctors, plastic surgeons, and other ancillary services are available. Along the same time, there is a different protocol as per the guidelines we are following for corona patients. So it is a different entry, different screening, and you will not come across with those patients. The wards are different, the staff is different. And then we assured him that nothing will happen because since we are capable to handle both the things. And then trusting us, he got admitted. We did around 8 hours long surgery where we removed the some part of his face and mandible and neck, nose, and then we did face reconstruction with our plastic surgery team. And he was in ICU for 2 days and in hospital for 7 days and got successfully discharged. And after complete procedure, now he's doing well, he's very happy. So when such patients give us the thank you letters or thank you notes, being happy in their life, we also feel so blessed to treat and to save such kind of lives. And one more health awareness tip I want to give, that this particular patient was a tobacco chewer. Since 15-20 years he used to consume tobacco. So, and probably that could be a reason for having the cancer. Believe me, almost 70% of cancers, they are because of either tobacco or smoking or any other addiction. So if we can keep away these kinds of addictions, if we quit tobacco, if we are consuming, then better to quit the tobacco or smoking. And if we are not consuming, then it is very, very good not to start it at all in our day-to-day life. So this is just as a health awareness warning. My friends, please keep away with all those tobacco, smoking, gutka and all other addictions. Be happy and be healthy. Thank you very much.